Waves, the mobile car wash, was founded in 1998 by Brandon Schwab with a vision to bring car, boat, and RV cleaning on site for businesses in Illinois. Waves Mobile Car Wash was The Waves Custom Truck and Trailer arrives at your company lot with professional quality car care equipment to pamper your employee vehicles. Protective cones cordon off the wash area. Employees check in with their reservations. While they work, we work. Waves, the mobile car wash, provides excellent benefits for your employees. Beautiful benefits for all levels of employees. Added pride in their vehicle when it is cleaned regularly. Stress reduction. No need to worry about when to wash the car. More time doing what they want after hours. Convenient, safe, quality car care. The perfect end to the day. Driving home in a clean, spotless vehicle. It's invigorating and enjoyable. Fully insured and professionally managed, Waves is a comprehensive marketing and service program.
Brandon's goals when we brought him here was to clean the RVs, restore them like new. He also washes about 80% of the employees' cars because the work he does is so superior, and the convenience of having him come here to the business it's a really nice thing.